This is Beatka, and she is a pierogi queen. She will demonstrate how to make real Polish pierogies. First, you need to prepare the potatoes in this way to make classic pierogi ruskie. In the description below, you'll find the measurements and instructions. The dough recipe is brought to you by Pierogies in Warsaw, Poland. We recommend you visiting them for an authentic pierogi workshop when you're in town. Next, we prepare the dough, and you need flour, oil, salt, hot water. Eventually, you'll add an egg and butter and mix everything together. Then it's time to roll out the dough, and you'll need these items to do the job. The dough is sticky, and make sure you have flour on hand to sprinkle when needed. Taking a simple glass, cut out circles in the dough. To prepare the filling, mash up your potatoes with butter, salt, and pepper. We add onions to our mix for flavor. And you know we have to have a big old kawałek of this polskie masło, Polish butter, because mixing it in with these potatoes with salt and pepper just makes everything so nice. And don't you forget about it, and don't forget to add those onions. In Poland, we use twaróg, but you can use cottage cheese. Give that potato and cheese mixture a good mix, and then add in an egg. Beatka's using her hands, which of course are clean, but I would recommend using a regular spoon. Add a small amount of filling to do what Beatka is doing with her hands. You can do it, just trust me. Our recommendation is, though, not to overfill your dough. Just put a little bit in, and then just do your best to seal it, and then plate it up before you stick it in the pot. Okay, now it's time to put these guys in the water. We recommend 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so now we get to the best part of it all, and that's the eating part. And we are eating on beautiful Bolesławiec Polish pottery. Thank you so much for watching this episode of American in Poland, and we hope you enjoyed this fun tutorial how to make real Polish pierogi. And don't forget to enjoy that pierogi with some tomato soup, and we say to you, smacznego!